So this is Cockapoo. She is just talking up a storm. Yes. She's a 2-year-old female. She's 7 pounds. She came in as a stray. And look at that coat. She's gorgeous. She's a little nervous. She's really talkative. And she's, she likes to be petted. She's very sweet. She just, she's used to being in the cage. Hi, honey. You saying hi to everybody? She's interested in her neighbors. Well, I'm just saying. You're a neighborly kitty. Yes. You can like friends. Oh, hey, watch yourself now. Watch yourself. But this is Cockapoo. I think I'm saying her name right. Cockapoo. Almost like cockatoo, but Cockapoo. Very kitty. Alright, sweetie, we're going to say bye. You want to say bye-bye for me? No. That sounded like a no. Say bye.